very confused about this camera. Anyways, hello everyone. I just wanted to give everybody a update about the Carpenter app. I've had a few people reach out to me and ask what the heck is going on. You know, we were expecting this little maintenance update to come out. Where is it? It's right here. So what I had thought to be like a 6-hour project, 6-hour maintenance project, turned into 30 plus hours. For the 2026 update, I had planned to take Carpenter and get rid of the One UI experience and convert it into a Material Expressive update, just like what I did with Launcher Ops 2. And when I was doing that, I had realized how much of the app really needed redone. And there were a few things that were at the borderline of being deprecated from the Android operating system since upgrading to Android 16 and now 17. And this little maintenance update turned into let's rewrite 2/3 of the application. So that's what's taking so long. To the founders who have purchased this application and wondering what's kind of going on, you will still have access to everything that I guaranteed you to have, plus some. How the application currently works with credits and memory storage and how many icons you can download and extract and all that is going to remain the same. Previously, I was storing icon data in shared preferences and JSON format. I got rid of it and I gave Carpenter its very own database, which meant that I was able to do a whole heck of a lot more this time around when it comes down to metadata for the icons that you're using, security for the icons that we're using, monitoring where these icons and assets come from as far as like the theme packs that you're going to be using, keeping a full history of the icon packs that you're looking at, creating new icons, having new tools to create new icons, and a few other things that I'm experimenting with, including and up to a private API that I'm going to be using for my new launchers coming up that will allow you to basically import an icon pack into Carpenter and then use that data to install this said icon pack into the launcher without needing to keep that icon pack installed on your device. So that's currently being worked on in the background. Amongst other things, when I removed the One UI experience from this app, everything broke. So I had to rewrite a lot of things. I had to implement a lot of custom widgets. I had to make new widgets. And I decided to give a preview of my upcoming launcher project by designing a completely new launcher icon view that allows you to see icons and icon packs in a much more higher definition quality perspective. I'm really excited. The downside of all of this is that I've been working on this project for, said 30 hours plus, and I have not been able to test anything yet. I have rewritten about 20 plus classes, and I still have this many to fix. I haven't touched these yet. I just trying to get it functional right now. Yeah. There's a lot of work to do. I had a lot. I had other things that I wanted to do. But as I got halfway through this project, I was like, oh, that would be nice. That would be cool. And then I started making it happen. I was like, what am I doing, Ryan? Come on. This was supposed to be a 6-hour project. Now we're 30 hours in and everything's broke. Now I got to fix everything. The good thing about this update is that the application is going to look very modern, very up to date. You're going to be able to understand it a lot better. There's a lot of fluff being removed from the app. I feel like that I implemented a lot of things that weren't necessary, and I'm going to be getting rid of those things, so it's pretty straightforward. There's going to be a new search functionality implemented into it. You're going to be able to view a whole lot more information about your icon packs and what you're going to be able to do with them. Just be patient, I guess. The update is going to be well worth your time. If you still actively use Carpenter, this is going to be a big upgrade for you. The downside of things is that if you've done anything with the previous version of Carpenter, everything is going to be rewiped and reset. So if you have any custom icons or assets that you want to keep, download them to your device. And then you'll just have to start all over with this new version. The One UI version is going to be archived on my website, so you'll still be able to use that version and download it and install it. You just have to do it from my website. This new version is it's going to be a big change. And I think a lot of you are going to appreciate the changes that are coming. If you used any of my previous apps like Launcher Ops 2 and TrueSight, Carpenter is going to follow in their footsteps as far as the visual format is. And there's going to be quite a few different things available in here that I think you're going to enjoy. So I will keep you guys updated. I know that there's a few of you bugging me. When is this update coming out? I'm going to guess by the end of the month, if not next month, the beginning of next month. So when I get to that point where I can start previewing the app, I'm going to start posting some images and screenshots on my blog. So if you want to keep up to date on this project, follow me, and we'll go from there. I did delete a lot of my social media this year. So it's very harder to keep tabs with me. But the easiest thing that I can tell you to do is just follow my website, bookmark my website, subscribe to my blog. Everything that you need to know from me will be there. I just wasn't a fan of Twitter anymore. I just wanted to kind of eliminate myself from the world a little bit. I know it's kind of ironic, me being a software developer and trying to reach out to people, but there's just a certain percentage of the world that I just wanted to not be a part of anymore. Some of you may know what I'm talking about, but it's just too much chatter and nonsense chatter. It's just something bothering me out there that I don't want to be a part of anymore. But yeah, Carpenter's update is on the way. It is actively in development, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So we'll see you soon.